Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. Introduce, my name is Irawati Nur Adifa. Here I will make a video about laser chalk and medicine advertising product. Laserin has the following competition. 1. Euparovia Herta Herbal. 2. Zingis Belis Officially Roma. 3. Cinnamomum Romani Compact. 4. Amomicum Factifactus. 5. Syzygium aromaticum Floss. 6. Piper Betel Folium. 7. Apibricatorius Folium. 8. Mentha arvensis Folium and other. Indication: help redness, chalk and sore throat. Dose: adult 3 times 1 tablespoon daily. Children 3 times 1 teaspoon daily. Baby 2 times half teaspoon daily. Store in a dry place and away from direct sunlight. Store in temperature below 30 degrees Celsius. Stay safe, stay healthy, and stay at home. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.